It is lightweight, weighing just 3.4 pounds and is cordless. The Dust Buster allows you to access the washable filters by removing the back of the machine. This also allows you to access the entire dirt cup for thorough cleaning. The long nozzle of this machine twists to allow you to achieve the desired angle for cleaning. It has a flip-up brush and a crevice tool that extends from the nozzle. It has strong suction that worked very well to clean a variety of particles from our carpet. What was especially impressive is that it easily sucked up even our largest particles without flinging them around our floor or grinding them up. Likewise, the Dust Buster performed well on our hard surface flooring. It did a great job cleaning up even the finest of particles without smearing them across the floor. While the vacuum was easy to transport and worked well at cleaning our stairs, the narrow nozzle width made cleaning larger surface areas tedious. We also found that the nozzle would occasionally stick on the carpet, as you can see here. Averaging 82.5 decibels, this machine was moderately loud, but still comfortable to clean with. Do you see how the number on our particle scanner is going down? That shows us that the filters are retaining dust and allergens as it cleans. Even without a brush roll, the suction was strong enough to easily clean up our fine pet hair from our upholstered couch. One of the areas that the generously long crevice tool came in useful was in cleaning our cars. Many handheld crevice tools are too short to be of any use, but not the Dust Busters. Because the nozzle is so narrow, getting in the tight spots of our vehicle was a breeze, and it handled the contours of our machine well. But again, cleaning large surface areas takes a while with this machine. To quickly empty the dirt cup, simply remove the nozzle and dump. We enjoyed using this machine.
This handheld, powerful handheld vacuum with HEPA filtration. This best price you can get for a Dyson V7 with HEPA filtration. Change those the sort of tools that are coming along with it. Get in the cracks, get in the crevices, and whether it's pet hair, whether it's snacks, whether it's the way you live your life. Bags, no need to buy them. No filters, no bags, no belts, nothing to clean up.
Now I'm just going to start going over. You're going to see they're going to start even jumping into this bin. That's the power of a Dyson. And this is why so many people love having a Dyson cordless in their home. And it's leaving carpet lines like you would with a big, heavy corded upright. In my house, literally every single day. Every time I come home, my wife says, I spent like 2 hours cleaning, but you would never have known it because as soon as she's done cleaning, the kids are making a mess somewhere else. And that's why having cordless technology from Dyson is incredible because it makes cleaning up so easy. If you give this as a gift, I'm telling you, people will think about you every single day because that's how much they're going to use it. That's our brand new Dirty Check, which is super.
And place the handheld vacuum in the dock. You will know the unit is charging when the power button LED light slowly pulses blue. When the Shark Ion W1 is fully charged, the LED light will glow a solid blue. The LED light indicates the status of the handheld vacuum. If the light is quickly flashing blue, the battery needs to be charged. Simply place the handheld vacuum on the ion charging dock. If the light repeats a pattern of 2 blue flashes and a pause, then your handheld vacuum has a clog or blockage. Turn the power off, remove clogged debris, and then turn power back on. To empty the dust cup, hold the handheld vacuum over the trash. Press the release button to empty the debris with a single touch. Close the dust cup.
Cleanups in the workshop, house, or car. The powerful 7-amp motor picks up tough messes like sand and pebbles. The quick flip crevice tool cleans tight spaces like couch cushions and car seats. A long 16-foot power cord gives you the freedom to clean complete car interiors and stairs. The Dirt Devil Scorpion Quick Flip Hand Vac makes fast and easy work out of cleaning. This handheld cleaning tool is powerful yet lightweight. It is equipped with a motor that delivers 7 amps of horsepower, which provides for powerful vacuuming action. This amount of power enables the Dirt Devil Hand Vac to pick up dirt, sand, pebbles and various other types of debris. It also features a convenient bagless design, and its dirt contents can be simply dumped into the trash following a cleaning. Great for cleanups in the workshop, house or car. The powerful 7-amp motor picks up tough messes like sand and pebbles. The quick flip crevice tool cleans tight spaces like couch cushions and car seats. A long 16-foot power cord gives you the freedom to clean complete car interiors and stairs.
Suction tanks. When we move to larger debris on hard floors, we noticed that the Bissell Featherweight and the Dirt Devil Simply Stick really could not pick up larger debris without picking up the vacuum. The Eureka Blaze did much better with larger debris, though I still had to pick it up to get some of the larger pieces. The reason the Eureka does better than the other two with larger debris is because it has a much larger gate on the front of the floor head. In fact, Eureka calls the floor head a capture nozzle and say in their promotional material that it's designed to be able to pick up larger debris. We tested them on low pile carpet and found that even though they don't have a brush roll to agitate the carpet, they do a fairly good job of picking up the pet hair and other debris from the surface of the carpet. Here again, the Eureka did better than the other two by picking up all the debris without having to lift up the vacuum to get to it. In handheld mode, they had much less trouble with larger debris, with the Dirt Devil and the Eureka performing equally well. The Bissell Featherweight, however, kept airflow is probably the most important performance metric with vacuums of this type, and all three had quite a bit. We measured the airflow from the floor head, sealed to a box with an anemometer. We saw that both the Dirt Devil and the Bissell picked up the crevice debris in one pass, which is a rare feat. And even though the Eureka has the highest airflow, it struggled a bit here because of the so-called capture nozzle. Basically, the larger gate on the front of the floor head allows more air to escape, making it less effective in this kind of test. Despite the last test, I would have to say that the Eureka Blaze stick vacuum is the clear winner. It has the best pickup ability, the best ease of use scores, and
Cereal playing hide and seek. Dust builds up every week. Pebbles piled on the floor. Milk will spill when children pour. Playdates often end in glitter. Why can't cats clean up their litter? Coffee grinds that hit the ground. The cordless hand vacuum to have around. For fast cleanups, take home.
Easily clean your home, car, boat, or RV. Powerful 15.6-volt cordless hand vacuum for messes all over the house. Detachable motorized brush removes pet hair and ground in dirt from upholstery, carpets, car mats and seats. Includes the versatility of a crevice tool for hard-to-reach areas and direct suction option for easy cleaning on any surface. With the pet-perfect cordless hand vacuum, you'll enjoy deep cleaning thanks to a detachable motorized brush that lifts pet hair and ground in dirt. Superior value, the best cleaning cordless hand vacuum in its price range. 35% more suction power than the previous model. Rechargeable 15.6-volt battery with LED charging indicator. A removable and washable filter. Easy to empty bagless dust cup, no replacement bags to buy. Lightweight and portable, perfect for your home, car, boat, or RV. The versatility of a crevice tool, motorized brush, and direct suction option for easy cleaning on any surface. Detachable motorized brush removes pet hair and ground in dirt from upholstery, carpets, car mats and seats. Mr. Cyclone technology provides suction that stays stronger longer. Easily detachable and washable filter. Convenient large capacity dust cup design means no replacement bags required. Includes motorized brush and crevice tool. A powerful, ultra lightweight cordless hand vac for carpet, upholstery, bare floor cleaning, and more. Includes rechargeable 15.6 volts battery and a rubberized hand grip for comfortable handling. Use the motorized pet brush to pick up embedded pet hair, and then store the vacuum on the convenient wall mount.